Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today I am working with my client who, as you guys can clearly tell, has some severe alopecia going on. And she came in to get an alopecia weaving service. So to start the process, I did have to go ahead and relax her entire head. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, well, if she has alopecia, why are you relaxing her? Well, because this is a service where we are blending her hair with extensions, it's not really feasible for us to leave her in a natural state because her hair will not lay down and it will not blend. Now, after relaxing her, this is when I went through and started to carve out the areas that we would be leaving as a part of her hair that is exposed, and then, of course, the areas that we will be covering up with the extensions. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to also thumbs up this video and share it with your family and friends. By the way, you guys, happy Mother's Day to each and everyone, whether it be your mom and aunt, whatever, grandma, sister, a caretaker. Just happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you. And this weekend, we are running back our $10 sale where all of our Elite Hair Care products are $10, excluding our tools and our combs and clips, as well as our extensions. So you do not need a code for that sale, you guys. Just jump onto EliteHairCareUSA.com and you'll be able to shop the $10 sale, and no code is needed. By the way, this sale also includes our new Hair Repair and Revive collection, which is the Hair Repair and Restoration Collection 2.0. And I know you guys have been wanting to try that collection, so definitely this is the time to grab all that you can, as well as our amazing serums, and shop the sale. Now, while I was talking, this is when I was creating my layers of protection for the area where I will be putting the extensions. Now, you guys know I do multiple layers of protection on purpose, not because my client has alopecia. Does that mean that I should not care about that area? Absolutely not. So my goal is, of course, to protect as much hair as possible on my client's head, but also give them a style that looks as natural as possible. But keep in mind, you guys, this is still an extension service, okay? So there are still going to be some areas that definitely you can tell is extensions, but that's neither here nor there, because we just want to make sure that our client is nice and comfortable and she is in love with her hair. Now, to start the process, I always like to put a base track. This base track is actually what I will be using to cover her sideburns, because as you guys could tell, her sides also had extensive thinning as well, or balding. So we're going to be making sideburns for her, which you guys will get to see that later on in the video. And then I'm just going through and making sure that I have good coverage in that area before I move on in regards to installing the remainder of her extensions. Now, normally you guys see me cutting later on after I've installed everything, but because I know that I am creating sideburns for her and also creating a blend in areas where she doesn't have hair, I like to try to carve that out right now so that I have a good canvas to work with. And I know that anything else that I add is going to be a part of the crown area and not a part of her sides or her back. Now, of course, you guys, this is definitely a customized service. This is not a service that will be the same for every single client. And I love doing my alopecia weaving services because it allows me to really just be creative. And I have to kind of figure my way out, and I love doing stuff like that. So it's really exciting for me. Now, to finish off the weaving service, I'm just going ahead and installing her extensions in the front and in the crown area. One thing that I will say about this service is placement is everything. When I first started doing this service, my placement was not as good as it should have been because I feel like I was working super hard trying to make a good blend, or to blend it. And I took a couple classes. Yes, I still take classes, you guys, to help me master my craft when it came onto this. And I'm still learning even till today. So I'm actually about to take another class and go from there. But for this particular client, I just wanted to make sure that we had really good coverage and that it looked as natural as possible. From here, once I finished putting the extensions on, I just started to do a little bit of blending. Now, when you're doing a service like this, hard lines does not work for this, okay? Because we're trying to mimic and blend extensions with her hair. So if you have any form of hard lines, it is not going to blend very easily, and you're going to work extremely hard later on trying to take out a lot of the weight or a lot of those lines. And I don't like lines. I like it to be nice and seamless, just as it would if it was your natural hair. This is definitely a service that I would recommend for anyone who's dealing with alopecia and you just don't know what you can do, or you just notice that it's just not coming back and you still want to be able to wear your hair and have a nice style. This is definitely the service for you. Now, this service lasts anywhere between 3 and 5 weeks. I've seen clients go longer than that. Do I recommend it? Absolutely not, because this is a temporary service, but it is definitely able to be worn on a little longer term. Now, to remold her, I'm using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam on the sides and the back. This is what I'm going to use to carve out her areas on the sides and to also blend the extensions with her hair. This is not a step that you can skip, you guys. This is no different from a shortcut. Shortcuts do not work unless they are molded. So it is the same thing with extension services like what she has right now. Now she's going to go under the dryer, and this is where she will air dry for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll go through and curl her and send her on her way. Now, once she's dry, this is where I finish out all of the detailing. And by detailing, I mean just carving out her hairline with the trimmers, you know, blending everything in. If I see any areas that have a ton of weight, this is when I'm going to take that off. Now, just a reminder, you guys, as we get ready to curl her, don't forget to go and visit our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com to get our Elite Silk Wrap Foam, our Goddess Polish, or any of our other styling aids that you can utilize to get your hair nice and sleek. And by the way, you guys, I'm actually using our new Smooth by EHC mini iron. This iron is not available just yet, but I wanted you guys to see that we do have a 1/2-inch iron coming out. This is not what we call a pencil iron. This is about a 1/2 inch. So this is very easy to use for those of you that have slightly shorter hair, or maybe you have a short cut like her or like myself. This is definitely an iron that you can use to curl your hair as well. Now, going forward, for her to take care of this at home, all she's going to do is tie her hair down around the sides and the back. The good thing about the hair that we use for this service is it's easy to maneuver and move around. So she won't have to do a lot of curling unless she chooses to. Hence the reason why I like to leave the sides and the back super short, because I want to make sure that my client doesn't really have to do a lot of work, especially because they've never actually done this before and this is all new to them. So the worst thing you could do is put them in a realm where they're uncomfortable and they feel like they have a lot to work with or a lot to do, and they're not able to understand how to do that. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and tell me, you guys, what you guys thought about the finished product. She absolutely loved her hair, like loved her hair. I can't say enough about how much I love doing alopecia services, you guys. Like, this is my calling. God has truly blessed me with an amazing gift, and I just love that I'm able to live in it and enjoy it all at the same time, because I used to actually hate doing hair. A lot of people didn't know that. So truth moment, I actually hated doing hair for a very long time until I found myself again and got back into this world. And the alopecia weaving is just my favorite. It is my favorite. I love hair restoration. I love it all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go shop the sale and see you guys later. Bye.